Hello and welcome to Pepsales. In today's video, we'll walk you through the post-call analysis module of Pepsales, your intelligent assistant for effective opportunity tracking and deal progression using proven sales methodologies. To access the pre-call page, start from your main dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of live opportunities along with their stages, activity status, and MEDDPICC scores. Simply click on the opportunity you're preparing for example, Acme Mortgage. This opens up a panel where you can view both upcoming and completed meetings for that opportunity. Click on the completed meeting you want to prep for. This will take you straight to the post-call module. Right at the top, you'll see the post-call analysis for the opportunity titled Acme Mortgage. Pepsales automatically calculates and displays the overall MEDDPICC score, which in this case is 18. This score gives you an instant sense of how mature the lead is. Clicking View Graph opens an interactive chart with MEDDPICC scores across different meetings. This progressive scoring helps sales teams track the evolution of buyer engagement and qualification over time. The dashboard also displays key discussion elements, including blockers, objections, tools mentioned, pain points, questions asked, and pending questions. Instead of manually trying to track all the qualification criteria, Pepsales AI listens in and automatically scores your deal based on key buyer signals. Here's how it works, step by step. First, metrics. Pepsales spots when buyers mention real, measurable results, like saving time or increasing productivity. For example, if the buyer says, "Thanks to your CRM integration, I was finally able to focus on my work, it really saved me time." That's a clear sign of value, and Pepsales scores it accordingly. Economic buyer. Pepsales flagged Mark, the CIO, as the economic buyer after the buyer confirmed that Mark is the ultimate decision maker. Decision criteria. Pepsales highlights what the buyer is really looking for, like key features or performance needs, so you can align your pitch with exactly what matters to them. Decision process. It picks up when the buyer talks about how and when they'll make their decision. This helps you plan the timing of your follow-ups with more confidence. Paper process. The tool listens for mentions of the procurement process, like contract approvals or legal timelines, so you're not caught off guard during closing. Identify pain. Pepsales pulls out statements about the buyer's pain points, like keeping CRM data clean or managing manual updates. These pain points help you tailor your messaging. Champion. It spots internal supporters, people who seem excited about your solution and are willing to pitch it to the decision makers. A strong champion is key to moving the deal forward. Competition. And if a competitor gets mentioned, Pepsales flags it. That way, you can reposition your offering and highlight what makes you stand out. All these insights are auto-generated, saving reps hours of manual analysis while ensuring data-backed coaching, forecasting, and deal prioritization. In addition to MEDDPICC scoring, Pepsales captures other critical elements from your sales conversations, ensuring no important detail slips through the cracks. Let's walk through these insights. The Blockers tab helps to identify the deal stoppers. In this call with Acme Mortgage, the system flagged a contract flexibility requirement. Joyce raised concerns about the bond period, saying, "We just changed our mind, do you have any bond period for the same?" This signals hesitation to commit without flexibility, something that could pause the deal. Pepsales auto detects such blockers, helping reps address risks early and keep deals on track. On clicking the Objections button, you can instantly see the key concerns raised by the buyer during the call, automatically identified and highlighted by Pepsales. Whether it's pricing concerns, integration doubts, or hesitation about timelines, these objections are flagged with full context from the conversation. In simple terms, blockers are critical roadblocks that can prevent a deal from moving forward. Objections, on the other hand, are buyer concerns or hesitations that can typically be addressed with the right information or reassurance. Next, the system tracks any third-party tools or platforms mentioned during the call, like HubSpot, Salesforce, Google Drive, helping you understand their current tech stack and integration needs. The Pain Points tab highlights key business challenges voiced by buyers, pulled directly from call transcripts using Pepsales smart tagging and verbatim capture. Examples include ROI concerns. Joyce questions the return on investment, suggesting a need for better financial visibility. Training gaps. Teams struggle to keep up with new tools, showing a chance to emphasize easy onboarding. Asked Questions tab gathers all buyer questions, giving reps a direct view into what matters most to the customer. Pending Questions tab surfaces all unanswered or deferred questions in this tab. Under the Summary tab, we have a detailed call brief. It captures the key highlights from the meeting, including the purpose of the call, buyer's priorities, and any objections raised. It also outlines discussed metrics, timelines, and agreed next steps. This helps sellers quickly understand the context and prepare for follow-ups with clarity. In the question list, you will find the questions for the next discussions, which are clearly marked with priority labels like critical and tagged as IP, short for identify pain, and also DC decision criteria, so your team knows exactly what to focus on. Clicking the icon below will open the Research and Notes panel, where Pepsales AI has already gathered detailed information about Acme Mortgage. You also have the option to add your own notes. On the right, the completed meet section highlights the call held on March 20, 2025, with a convenient option to review the video recording and transcript. Every sales call, like this discussion between Acme Mortgage and Pepsales, is securely recorded and transcribed. Reps can replay the full recording anytime, with speaker timelines clearly marked below, so you can see who spoke, when, and for how long. You can also download the recording and share it with others. Coming back to the dashboard, we have the action items tracker. After the pricing call with Acme Mortgage, we have 3 clear next steps to keep the momentum going. Send the NDA template to Joyce. Share the testing model. Schedule a follow-up call with Joyce and Alex. Right after your meeting, just click on the Generate Follow-up email. It automatically captures and summarizes the key points from your conversation, then generates a polished follow-up email you can instantly copy and send to your prospect. And finally, we have the Ask Pepsales icon. You can ask anything about this opportunity, whether it's about blockers, objections, meeting summaries, or deal status. It's your AI sidekick for instant insights. This was a quick look at the post-call module of Pepsales AI. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.